allowed us to get rid of that cat and increase the diameter of that tube from a 2.75 inch to a 3 inch.
Right.
And that was the only change we made there.
And that picks up 30 wheel horsepower.
I've heard anywhere from 20 to 30.
Okay, and you can feel that. I do feel like it sounds a little bit more throaty, especially in the low end. I am still of the opinion that I like headers back exhaust, like just open that thing up. But I know Barry would never allow for such a human being to touch his precious Porsche. I don't think he would allow that.
I don't want to deal with check engine lights because of removing the cats and dealing with all that crap. Right now, we still have the cat in the header.